Vaira by Pleora helps manufacturing companies easily automate inspection and assembly processes using AI. In today's demonstration, you'll learn how Vaira and its shop floor-ready apps help electronics manufacturers add traceability for critical products, improve quality control thanks to AI inspections, and reduce costs associated with claims and recalls. The Visual Inspection app allows electronics manufacturers to use computer vision and AI for manual inspection tasks. Start with entering the product details and inserting the sample to be inspected under the Vaira imaging unit. The imaging unit performs an automatic alignment of the sample image, and the unique dome design reduces glare and optimizes image quality for inspection. The system only requires one good reference image to get started. Select the Compare button to begin an inspection. On the left, you'll see a zoomed-in view of the reference image versus the sample image. On the right, the reference and sample views alternate quickly to help users easily identify the differences between the two. The operator can then quickly accept or reject each of the identified differences and add comments. The system will identify defects such as missing or added components, including through-hole components, soldering quality, missing screws, labeling differences, and polarity, catching errors that are easily missed through manual visual inspection. Using the built-in AI assistant, defects are analyzed with a confidence score to help the operator decide whether the defects are acceptable or not, and the AI assistant will learn based on operator decisions and continuous use of the system. Once all the differences are reviewed, the operator can generate a detailed inspection report that includes all of the defects and quality concerns, along with any comments and whether the differences have been accepted or rejected. Report PDFs are automatically stored within the system and can be customized to submit to email lists and third-party storage solutions. This produces a fully traceable record of each inspection that can also be referred to for rework reports in the quality process or to contribute to analytics for continuous improvement of the organization. Vaira helps manufacturers of all sizes. Designed for scalability, it supports operational growth from low-volume, high-product mix to high-volume and large-scale manufacturing production. Easily add new products to processes with the built-in low-code AI app builder and scale up with no custom development required. Automated inspection made easy with Vaira. Pleora, simplifying AI and machine vision. For more information, visit pleora.com.